Hello, dear students. Good morning to all, and let's talk about today's topic. Hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is the insert menu. We'll talk about some of the topics which we use from the insert menu and which are important and which are in your syllabus. There are some of the topics which are there in your syllabus and which we'll be talking later on. So let's first talk about the manual break. So when we click on the manual break, you have the break like line break, column break, and page break. There are three types of manual break which we can insert. And let's see how these break work. So let me type a text here. Suppose this is some kind of text. Let me copy paste it to represent you that how it works. Now you can understand that I have a page that contains paragraphs. Okay. And now if I need to go to the next page, now you can see there is only one page right now here. And if I keep typing, and as soon as the area of the page finishes, automatically the page 2 will start. But if you need to insert a new page after this, or maybe you want to take this content into the next page, so we'll go for the page break. And how do we do the page break? There are two options. Either you press Control plus Enter, hold the Control key of the keyboard and press Enter. Now, by this you are able to insert a new page, or you can say that you are able to apply the page break. The other way to for the page break is to go to the Insert menu and manual break and click on the page break option, and you can click on OK, right? So now this way we can insert a page break. There is another break you can see on the manual break is called the column break. Now column break works when there are columns. Just give me a second and I will let you know how it works. Let's talk about the line break first. Now, if you want to break a line, as you already know that if I press Enter button after line, so which means this will be considered as a new paragraph. This is a new paragraph. So new paragraph begins when you press Enter button from the keyboard. Now, if you press Shift Enter, if you are there at the end of a line and you press Shift Enter, so this means the new line, or we can say this is called a line break. So this is next line of the same paragraph. This is the next line. You can understand this is the new line, next line of the same paragraph. Let me make it colorful so that you can understand. And this is the new paragraph. So if you want to break the line, so just the simplest way is either press Shift Enter, means a new line of the same paragraph, or go to the Insert menu, manual breaks, and you can click on the line break option. So both have the same significance. Either you press Shift Enter or you just simply press what we call Control, or you go to the Insert menu and click on the manual break and click on the line break options. Now let's talk about the column break options. So for column breaks, first we should know that we should insert the columns in that page. So to insert a column, we'll go to the format menu, click on the columns option, and we can insert two columns here, and there's just little bit space between the columns. Now you can see the text has been converted into two columns since the text has occupied only single column. Now you can also write the content on the second column also. Now after this, if you keep typing, so obviously you will once the area of a column gets finished, you will automatically go to the next column. But if you want to go to the next column just after this point, or maybe just after this point, so for that purpose you will go for the column break. So we'll click on the format option, we'll click on the insert option, we'll click on the manual break, and we'll click on the column break options. Now we are on the second column. So these three were the topics called the manual break, line break, column break, and page break. Somewhere I have also made you write these shortcut keys for all these three options. Anyways, so let's start. Let's go for the next topic. Let me bring a new page so that I don't have to reverse all the contents that I've written. So now we'll talk about the special characters. So if you want to insert special characters on your document which are not available directly through the keyboard, you can insert from here. So suppose there is a copyright option. If you want to insert, we can insert a copyright option right now like this. So if you want to insert any special character, go to the insert menu, and then you choose a character that you want to insert. Okay, like this. So these are the characters that you want to insert. Some are Latin characters, some maybe will be Greek characters. Okay, so if you want to suppose a pound sign, if you want to insert, so you can insert like this also. You can simply double click on the character that you want to insert. Okay, so this is the way how we can insert the characters. Okay, now let's talk about the next topic called the hyperlink. So how does the hyperlink works? And hyperlink, hyperlink is, let me tell you, suppose I want to know about computer education. Okay, so I am asking to the Google about the computer education. So you can see it has shown us some of the websites or links you can call, and these links are called the hyperlink. So if we click on a link particularly, for example, so you can see I have opened the website, and also there are some other links. So I can click on those links. The links normally appear on a blue color, and when we put mouse over it, so the sign of the pointer of the mouse changes into the hand sign. Okay, and these effects can be done with the help of any programming language or a script language. Like if you put mouse over it, then the color changes. Anyways, that's a different thing. Now these are the hyperlinks, and if I click on any hyperlinks, you can see now something else is being opened. And if you want to insert a hyperlink on your a document, so this is the way how we can insert. So what is the way to insert a hyperlink? Let me write a content first. Click here to open the relevant website, for example. Now I want to make this as a hyperlink, so I will select it. I will select the text to which I want to make a hyperlink. I will go to the insert menu, will click on the hyperlink option, and then what is the target? What is the target means what content I want to open. Okay, I want to open internet content, or I want to open a text document, a document from this particular computer. Now suppose if you want to open anything from internet, so you can write, suppose you want to open Google, or you can open the a particular website or any link of a video or audio, anything could be. So suppose I have linked this page with the Google, and how I can open it. This has become a hyperlink now. If you want to open the hyperlink, press the control button and hold it. Now press the click with the mouse. So when you clicked with the mouse, you can see that now I have taken directly to the Google homepage. So this is the hyperlink which I have created for a web page or a website. Now click here to open a document. Now I'm creating a hyperlink to open a document. So for this, select the text, go to insert option, click on hyperlink option, click on document, and you can browse the file which you want to open with this. Suppose I want to open a file called current affairs. Okay, and you can apply it and you can close it. See, now I have got another hyperlink, and this hyperlink is connected with a file which is located in my computer. So I'll press the control button and I will press the mouse button, and as soon as I pressed it, you can see it is opening Microsoft Word, and I have got a file opened as current affairs. Now this is the file which I have linked or opened. Okay, so this is how we can insert the hyperlink. Okay, last topic of the day. We'll talk about the header and footer options. So header and footer options are the options. You have seen the textbooks. Okay, at the top of a textbook there could be a title which appears on every page, or there could be an image or a logo which appears on every page, and at the bottom there may be a page number or a name of a company. So for that purpose we use the hyperlink. So we use the header and footer options. So if you go to the insert option and we'll click on the header option. So what we do is we click on insert option and go to the header option and then click on default. Now I am on the header section. You can increase decrease area of this header option, and I am inserting uh, a text called computer education as a text there. Okay, and at the right side I am inserting the school name. Okay, right, so I have inserted the school name there. Okay, now this is my header. You can use this header and footer option, with the help of there has to be a what we call a toolbar for header and footer. Anyways, so now I can go to the footer option. This is my header option. Now similarly I can go to the insert. Now I can go to the footer option, default footer. Now I am at the footer place, and there see this is the way how I went to the footer option. Now from there from that option you can directly insert the, if you want to insert the characters, you can insert the characters there, and if you want to insert picture, you can insert the picture on the footer area. You can insert the object in that particular area. So this way we can insert the contents on the what we call in the header and footer area. You can also insert page number and dates. So let me see, we can insert the page number and dates, or maybe then OLE object we can insert there. Like suppose if you want to insert an OLE object, you can insert the OLE object, and if you want to insert a page number, you can insert the page number there. So this way we can fix the header and footer options. All right. Okay, we'll talk about it later on the online classes, then how we can insert the page number. Right now I'm not able to see the toolbar, the specific toolbar. Anyways, so we'll talk about header and footer again on the live class. That's all for today. Thank you so much.